Hey guys, so in today's vlog, I'm showing you guys a bag that was gifted to me by a company called Babalabags. It's a Louis Vuitton inspired bag, high-end quality. So if you're a replica girly and you like to shop on a budget, please be sure to check out babalabag.co, and they have all different kind of bags to choose from. You're getting my honest review on this bag.
But you should have known it. I wasn't going.
My name is Lottie. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to my channel. On my channel, we do unboxings, we do daily vlogs, and we do lifestyle, right? So today we're gonna review this bag from Babalabags, and like I said, I was so excited because a company reached out to me and asked me to review a bag. So anyway, this is the bag, guys. It came well packaged, and it's a Louis Vuitton bag. And I went on the website, and honestly, I wanted this bag so much. And when I saw the price, I was like, what? So when they reached out to me and told me to go on the website and check out what bags I want, yeah, I had to pick that bag, okay? But this is the bag. It's well packaged and everything, okay? Clock that, right? So at the end of this video, this is the bag. It's well packaged. It's going to be a link down in the bio, and you can use my code as it's linked down below if you want this bag, okay? So this is it. Well packaged, well wrapped. And let's see the bag that we chose. Oh, and guys, it comes with the card. It comes with this little paper thing. It comes with the booklet. It comes with the bowl to wrap the box. And it comes with an LV card. So everything that you would get at Louis Vuitton in their box, that's what you get in the box. So have real bags, and the quality on the dust bag is a 10 out of 10. Like, it feels just like the real Louis Vuitton dust bag. So guys, this is the bag. OMG. The weight on this bag, oh my god. The quality is 10 out of 10. Like, this bag is everything. Ten out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10. The quality, the velvet, everything. 10 out of 10. Okay, and this is the inside. Like I said, guys, high-end quality. Like, you can't tell that you did not go in the store and purchase this bag. The smell of it, it's like a real leather smell. Oh my god, it smells. And then, you know, wear it like this. Like, say you want to wear it crossbody, or you want to wear it on your shoulder. Yes. This bag is a 10 out of 10. This bag was because, I don't know, all my bags that I have that's authentic and not authentic are all like tote bags. So I wanted something different, you know, something a little more classy, and this bag gives that, you know what I mean? So, and basically it's just like the Chanel bag. You could put the straps in, and you can wear it like a clutch. You know, like a boss girl vibes. You wear it like a clutch like this. Like I said, the link will be down in the description below, and so is my code. You can use my code to get a discount on it. Like, the quality, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Guys, and trust me, as you see back here, most of these bags are replica bags, and this, out of all of these bags, is a 10 out of 10 mirror quality. Okay? You see the softness on it? 10 out of 10 mirror quality. Guys, so there will be a coupon code down below, so you guys could go ahead and shop Babalabags. Like, I'm telling you guys, you won't be disappointed. Like, out of all my bags that I have, that's replica, this one is a mirror 10 to 10 quality. Like, your girl wouldn't lie to you, because as you can see, I have a whole bunch back there, so I wouldn't lie to you. So thank you, Babalay, for choosing me to do a review for you guys. I appreciate it, and I hope to work with you guys again someday. But this bag was a 10 out of 10. Thank you.